Hello friend, my name is Subham Patel. I study in class 10th. My school name is Thakur Lal Bahadur Singh Smriti International Public School. I am 15-year-old and there are 5 members in my family. First my father, second my mother, third me and fourth my brother, fifth my sister. Hello friend, today I am asking some question from Aditi ji. Then I start.
Okay. Ask me some.
First, please introduce about yourself.
Okay. I am Aditi Sahu from class 9th standard. I study in Resident City High School, Parra Sidhi, and there are 6 members in my family. Firstly, me and my brother, my father and my mother, and grandfather and my grandmother. And my father name is Mr. Ganesh Sahu. He is contractor. And my mother name is Mrs. Pooja Sahu. She is a housewife. And my grandfather name is Mr. Ramlal Sahu. He is also contractor. And my grandmother name is Mrs. Kailashwa Sahu. She is also a housewife. And my brother name is Aditya Sahu. He study in class 8th. Okay.
My next question is, who is your best friend?
I have many friends, but I have only 2 best friends, Sakshi Singh Chauhan and Sonali Tiwari. They are also study in class 10th.
Yeah. My next question is, who is your ideal teacher?
My ideal teacher name is Mrs. Pratibha Tripathi ma'am. She is a very good teacher and she motivate me always. And he is my ideal, so she is my ideal teacher.
Yeah. My next question is, who is your what is your weakness?
My weakness is my anger. When I anger. My weakness is my anger. When anybody told me that your father is falana blah blah, so then I become anger.
Which means somebody comments about
Somebody comment about my father and mother, then I become anger.
Yeah. Next question is, have you any extra quality?
Yeah, I have many extra qualities, like I am also good dancer and boxer also.
Yeah. Next question is, what are your hobbies?
There are some hobbies, like I like to cook food in free time and care of my parents also, and fighting with my brothers.
Yeah. Next question is, what is the aim of your life?
The aim is of my life. I want to become a doctor and social worker also.
you will ask question.
Okay, then I want to ask from you some questions, like please introduce about yourself.
Yeah. My name is Subham Patel. I study in class 10th and I am 15-year-old. My school name is Thakur Lal Bahadur Singh Smriti International Public School, and there are 5 members in my family. First my father, second my mother, third me and fourth my brother, fifth my sister. And my father name is Mr. Raghuras Patel and my mother name is Mrs. Aarti Patel and my mother is a housewife. Then
Okay, who is your best friend?
yeah, I have many friends and only 2 friends is best for me. First Shikhar Kushwaha and second Abhishek Gupta, because he is study with me in my school and my class, and he is study well then.
Okay, what is your weakness?
Yeah, there are
What's up?
Pass me the question.
But who is your ideal teacher?
yeah, I have ideal teacher. Her name is Sujit Dikshit sir, and he is
Her name is his name is.
sir. His name is Sujit Dikshit sir. He is uh,